Alright, it's another tropical weather outlook because there's so much going on. As you know, it's all quiet, As you know, it's all quiet across the Atlantic. Maybe this could become something, but I doubt it. Aletta is now a hurricane and we could get Bud. It's quite a big hurricane, this Aletta. Forecast to go out to sea. And we have two storms here in the open Western Pacific. Maliski, which hasn't actually been named. Apparently, so 90W what's moving over China, Ewininar, which is set to quickly dissipate. We also have Hurricane Aletta, which okay. Now let's get to and let's get to the satellites. 90W, which isn't named yet. Though it does seem like it should be named. I agree. Here it is. Then some circulation, and I think that's what's left of it's Don Meg, Philippine name Don Meg. Now, single video updates on these storms will happen soon, especially as this one has a chance to threaten to land and strike the Philippines. I don't know when this one will go. I know where it will go, actually, in a moment. It seems like we'll go out to sea. And over here is Ewininar, which has a reason just about may landfall in China in a moment, in the last few hours. And it's pretty much a newly inland, and it's had quite an odd track. And here it is, pretty much just moved inland, and that's the center on which just winged up some convection. Small storm. Now this is this track. Let's think it from the bit more south. But notice this, it made landfall in Hainan. Looped around, and now here it goes. Now what's forecasted for it is eventual dissipation. Fair enough. Alright. It's not really anything to point to, but we have the first hurricane in the Eastern Pacific, Aletta. The next name is Bud. And we finally got some decent imagery of it. Let's keep political on. And it does indeed look like a hurricane out here. Now, does it not? There it is situated off the... It looks stronger than Cat 1. But this could make a shot from Cat 2. And it's quite a nice looking storm. It is Hurricane 11. Notice how it isn't moving much. It's a slow moving storm, but it's quite a beautiful one as
this time, I will play.
As a
hurricane. Or maybe from SAM 2010.
As a quite beautiful well away from land. Now the main convection is just here. Just east. Actually, that's to the west. That's the western quadrant of what I hear is more infrared image. Not really the best looking storm here, but it's not. But it just became a hurricane. It's had quite a road to Here's a crappy wrong vapor imagery. I think there's nothing but moisture. We'll go check on the wide view, but notice how it hasn't done much. And that's the close-up of the storm as of late. Noting how it's moving on out to sea, and it's definitely gotten itself together. That is a hurricane. And it demands respect. But here is a more wide view image again to show its relations to the coast of Mexico. So quite rainy weather coming in effect here from what appears to be some type of island. It's not really good. And Mexico gonna get some inclement conditions from Aletta, which that's Aletta. Now,
oh, by the way, his name is one of those names.
Here's a wide view of the Atlantic, and that's Aletta down there, and that's the inverse, and this is how it's been progressing. It looks not attractive all day, so, but it looks more like a song. Here's some imagery of it. Notice that one side, the powerful side, this could make a break from Kangaroo 2. From Castle 2 fizzle out after it peaks as a Cat 1. Come at me, non-wave tracking. And here it is as it moves pretty much out to sea. And it's quite a beautiful one. Warm vapor. Drying, not an issue in its vicinity of the storm at the moment. But the drying is definitely going to be pushing itself but it's leaving behind moisture. Moisture, it's got to be favorable for now. But this is definitely what the picture is. And that's pretty much all in the world. Have a